Team not quite on board with export compliance? Let's change that. Export compliance might seem like a chore, another box to tick. Believe me, I get it. Between all the other tasks, it can feel like just another hurdle. But here's the thing. Export compliance isn't just about paperwork. The government, the BIS, actually calls it invaluable for national security. Think about it. We want to keep sensitive technology out of the wrong hands, right? So how does this translate to your everyday work? Let me tell you a quick story. Imagine you're a customer service rep, just like John, and you get a call from a potential buyer overseas. They are interested in a product, maybe a cool new gadget, and you are excited to tell them all about it. But here is the catch. That gadget might have features that require special export controls. Sharing those details without realizing it could be a deemed export, which can lead to trouble. John didn't mean any harm, but it shows how export compliance is a team effort. That's where training comes in, but not just any training. Here is what makes it good. First, focus on each employee's specific role. Second, explains their export responsibilities clearly. Third, includes quizzes to make sure everyone understands. 4, gets updated regularly to stay on top of things. With good training like this, your team will be equipped to handle exports smoothly and safely. The result, a smooth export process, fewer headaches, and a team that's proud to contribute to a safe and secure operation. So, tell me, what are your thoughts? Share your compliance tips in the comments below. Have a nice day. See you soon.